The Chicago
Try calling y'all by name, but shit, it wasn't.
What you say about me?
Y'all from talking shit.
You my name. In the street? My name is my name.
Alright, YouTube, we out here. A little research. Like I said, I'm about to redo my whole truck. So I'm just getting ready. So, what do we have here? It's 2001. 2000. Y'all stay tuned. Okay, YouTube. 2004, but 2003 and up. Side mirrors. Just found it in the foldable. They fold. What I came to get is the plug off of here. So I'm about to cut this and take that. Yeah, so that's all I really care for. Oh, shit, I gotta hide this too. Yeah. So y'all stay tuned. See if my stash still here. Yep. I'm stashing them like hotcakes. Wait till they go on sale. Alright. What up, YouTube? Got my construction of my mirrors, these Cadillac mirrors. I cut all the harnesses off and hardwired it, figured it out. All of them work. Up, down, all that. Figured all that out. And it's working. I mean, I just got to clean everything up, but let me see. They tell me you gotta buy stuff and all that. You ain't gotta buy nothing. So yeah. All the wise. Yep. Alright.